Tanya, you unlocked a secret here and I'm super excited. I just wanted to document this. So I just wanted to take a shot of this setup here. So that's a 1920 by 1080 external driving off a MacBook Pro. So specifically this is the setup here. You wouldn't actually need this third screen to make this work, but this is a nice setup. So that's this little sidecar iPad, which is great for palettes. And that's all I had said, was if you actually mirror this display, and you can keep your palettes here. So on a PSD, you know, I could be working and have all my stuff over here. But the secret that you've just blown my mind with, that you talked about on LinkedIn, was actually this piece here, where you said the external monitor allows me to extend my screen. I duplicate the canvas window, arrange new window. So let me yeah, so that this one over here is in full screen mode. So if I unfull screen mode and get rid of that, so let's say there's nothing there. So let's go back to this PSD and have a look here. So I can adjust my layers off on this. So even if I mirrored my laptop monitor, people wouldn't see. You know, I can do all sorts of stuff. I can operate my palettes, and if this display was mirrored and I was in, like, you know, full screen mode like this, then this is what they'd see. But what you've described is even better, because now you can work, and I saw you were working on a Surface Pro or some sort of touch screen. Anyways, I could work on a stylus or whatever. But this is what you did. You went window. What did you do? You said window, arrange, new window for PLP indigenous. Okay, PSD. So this, it's a second instance of the same. Drag it over. In theory, you could be dragging this to a projector. If you arrange the projector screen to not mirror, but to actually be a different monitor altogether. So drag that over. So it's like a second instance of the same thing. And I'll go full screen with it. Zoom it up to fill the... So now this is the magic. I just can't... This is so exciting. So come back to this one. Grab myself a brush. Actually hit that. Grab myself a brush. Size that bad boy up. On this top layer, I'll make that. I'll make a new layer. How about that? Make a new layer. Now watch this. What I draw here, it's like every function that appears here. And the cool thing is, this is the missing link, is if I want to get like super detailed, I'll zoom right in here. Doing this one-handed. Back to my brush. Now I can like go crazy details and watch the other one. So I can be doodling away here, and the audience, it doesn't have to zoom with me. So I could be, you know, here we go. This is the magic right here. Zoom in, zoom out, and I'm not zooming in at all on the projector. That is money right there. Like, I'm so stoked, I can't even believe that. It's truly interesting. Let's see if it does this too. Yeah, it works back the same way. Draw on the other one, it shows up in the other one. Anyways, and if you happen to have an old iPad laying around, like this is just a little 32 pinner. Do you know what I mean? Like, the kids are even done with this iPad. It's not serving anybody. And just Duet Display is the app. Here's what it's called. It's a little D. Duet Display. And it just turns your old iPad into a bus-powered external, which you can haul around with you. That is hot, hot, hot stuff.